Here we have the final reveal of the AIRFIX vintage B-29 bomber. This kit is 55 years old, and it was a classic done by AIRFIX. Some of the detailing is amazing for the time, and when you consider this was designed, when this model was designed before computer technology came into kit manufacture, it's a wonderful model, it really is. There's a few fit issues as you go along, but nothing that can't be solved, and it makes it into a very, very attractive model. The model is brush painted with Humbrol silver and aluminium paint, and I've made it so you can see like a few of the dielectric panels on it as well. So it's made into a really nice, a really attractive model, and it was missing from my collection for some time. So this is made as the Eddie Allen, painted as the Eddie Allen, which is the standard markings for the AIRFIX kit. You get a choice of 2 markings for it, and of course you can get aftermarket decor sets to make the Enola Gay, the one that dropped the atomic bomb on Hiroshima, but that of course would need deletion of the turrets, so that's a project for some other time. So there you are, AIRFIX B-29, it's all its splendour, really delightful model to make, and if you can pick one of these up at the right price, grab hold of it because you'll enjoy building it. Thank you very much for watching.